Thank you for purchasing from Garbage Commander. Happy to bring these videos of how to install our products.
Welcome. In this video, we're going to go over the assembly of the standard hooks and retainer brackets. So right off the bat, what we're going to need is our retainer brackets. We're going to need our standard hooks. And on a side note, there is no right and left. They're both the same. Trust me, it works. You're going to need your 12-inch arm. Now let me point out that the 12-inch arm on one side has a little part that stops and a center hole. The other side is going to have your two holes on each side. When this is being assembled onto your receiver mount or your support arm, this is how it needs to be. Your little flange is going to be towards the back and the holes will be towards the front. So let's begin. What you should need is a 7/16 socket, open end wrench, anything like that that can get that job done. We're going to take our 1/4-inch bolt. You're going to shove it through your standard hook. You're going to take your 12-inch arm, slide it through. And then from that point, you're going to take your retainer bracket, slide that through as well. From this point, you're going to use your lock washer and your nut. You're going to tighten that down. Make sure you get that good and tight. Line up, make sure everything's lined up for the pins to go through. Everything's lined up. Snug her down even more. Now what we're going to want to do then is repeat the process on the other side. So again, we start with our 1/4-inch bolt. Slide that through your retainer bracket, or standard hook, sorry. Come through your 12-inch arm, like so. At that point, we're going to take our retainer bracket, slide that in. From that point, we'll take our lock washer and our nut. Going to again tighten that down. And while tightening this down, you want to make sure that the holes are still aligned. That way for your pin, you'll be able to keep that all lined up. Now that you would have this tight, ready to go, your next step is probably going to be putting this on the support arm. Thanks for checking out our video. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Check us out at garbagecommander.com. Thank you.
Only at Garbage Commander.